Hi, and welcome to our channel. When you have a suspended Twitter account, it could be because you violated one or more Twitter rules. You can still browse through Twitter and send direct messages, however, you won't be able to tweet until the suspension is lifted. Worst case scenario is if your Twitter is permanently suspended, you may not be able to use any features of Twitter at all. If you think that Twitter made a mistake suspending or locking your account, you can appeal, and let me show you how to do it. First, go into your Twitter app and tap your profile photo on the top left. Then on your left panel, tap on the bottom option that says Settings and Support. From here, tap Help Center. On the list below, we need to tap About Suspended Accounts, but if you don't see it there, you can use the search bar and type About Suspended Accounts. Tap the second option, and it should be the second option from this list. Now on this page, we want to go to How to Unsuspend Your Twitter Account. So let's scroll down. Here you go. But we need the last part of this section where it says File an Appeal. When you see that, tap on it. Now on my end, the Twitter account I'm using is not a suspended account, so this is what it's showing me. However, you should see a page wherein you have your Twitter username, email address registered to it, and a description box wherein you can explain why Twitter has to review the suspension of your account. Make sure to be specific and polite. Once you're done, just tap Submit. If you haven't really violated any Twitter rule, then this method should lift the ban or suspension of your account. Twitter should reach out to you via email soon after you submitted your appeal. And that's it.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.